In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add crude oil in Tradingview. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look, what to type, and which symbols are the most common so you can track crude oil prices with confidence. First, open your watch list from the right-hand sidebar. This is the panel where you keep the markets you monitor most often. If it's collapsed, just click it to expand. At the top of the watch list, click the plus icon labeled Add Symbol. That opens the search window, which is your gateway to all the instruments Tradingview supports. In the search bar, type crude oil or WTI. WTI stands for West Texas Intermediate, the U.S. benchmark for crude oil pricing. As you type, Tradingview will list matching instruments across different categories. You'll typically see results under futures and CFDs. Futures are exchange-traded contracts with standardized expirations, while CFDs are contracts for difference offered by brokers that mirror the price of crude without using an exchange. Availability, pricing sources, and trading hours can differ between these categories. So it's good to choose the one that aligns with how you want to follow the market. Two common symbols you'll likely see are USOIL and CL1. USOIL is a CFD that reflects spot-like crude oil pricing. It's popular for charting because it often provides continuous price action without worrying about individual contract rollovers. CL1 is the WTI continuous contract for futures, which stitches together front-month WTI futures over time. This gives you a continuous futures chart without manually switching contracts each month. If you prefer following the official exchange-traded futures curve, CL1 is a solid choice. If you want a straightforward, continuous crude oil price feed commonly used for general charting, USOIL is convenient. When you've identified the symbol you want, click the plus sign to the right of it. That adds the instrument to your current watch list instantly. You'll see it appear in the list, ready to open anytime. Adding a symbol here doesn't place a trade or change any account settings. It simply bookmarks the market so you can access it quickly. A few quick tips to keep things smooth if your results look limited. It may be due to your data plan or region, and that's normal. Also, check the description line beneath each symbol so you are clear on whether it's a CFD or a futures contract. Consistency matters, so pick the format you prefer and stick with it for cleaner comparisons over time. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.